Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Jeep Renegade Altitude. Under the hood we have a 2.4-liter i4 engine and a 9-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in black, looks great. You got that Jeep badging up front with your chrome accenting on your grille there. Got your halogen headlights and your fog lights down there. And coming all the way around to the side here, we do have our Continental brand tires with our 17-inch rims. They look great. Heated exterior mirrors right up here, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you got the 4x4 badging. You got the Jeep right up there. You also have your backup camera, and you can open this guy up right here. Looks great back here as well. Very spacious. You can fold those seats forward. Got a bit of extra storage right here. You can also lift this guy up. You got more storage just underneath there if you did need it. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. We got our remote start and our panic button there. It does also a proximity keyless entry, so you just got to put your hand there. It will unlock for you. Plus, you got the button to lock it. On the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here. You have your handle. You have Beats speakers down here. You do have some storage down there. Looks great in here. Very spacious, and the seats are very comfortable. You got the controls over the lights here, so you're off, daytime running lights, low beams, and auto, as well as your fog lights and in-cabin light control here. And then up here we got the turning signals and the high beam control. Push to start, so foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. Now right in the center there, it does tell us our speed right now and which way we're facing. We can switch that around to our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip. We got our audio, messages, screen setup, your settings, and back to your speedometer. That is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options. Horn in the center and cruise control options right there. And right here we do have the control over the windshield wipers. Around the back of the steering wheel you got a volume up and down with a source changer. And right in the center you do have your touch screen display. Looks nice. You do have the AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there. Media tab here if you have one hooked up through your USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. Phone options, you can turn the screen off. You got your compass and your apps there as well. Then you got your volume up and down with the power, mute, back button, tuner and browser right over there. And when you are in reverse, you got the ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. Then down here we do have the heated seats and heated steering wheel with the hazard lights. You have your control over your climate here, so power up and down with the circulation, temperature control, and where it's going to blow out of. And we have the terrain selector right down here, so you got your snow, sand, and mud mode, as well as you have your auto. And then you do have your aux cord and USB plug-in, gear shift here. You do have your electronic parking brake, and you do have your cup holders there. Then you got your armrest, doubles as a storage container, does have a USB plug-in in there. And then your locking glove box right over here. Lots and lots of room in there. And then up top you do have your lights. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you got your handle. You do have the control over your windows and a handle here. Looks great back here as well. Seating for 3. Lots and lots of room. You can fold these seats forward as I said, just like that. Then you do have more room in the back. And there's our 2.4-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Jeep Renegade. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself and take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.